Anybody got a prescription, yeah, for this love pain? Anybody got a pill like a pop for this love pain? Anybody got a prayer?
Hello everyone, it's Keisha from Drink Coffee Make Stuff. Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to be planning in my Villabeautifful 2022 planner. This is my no-teak cover. I keep my VB planner in this blush Saffiano no-teak cover. And here she is. This is the VB Pink planner. As you can see, isn't she pretty? And I have my heart magnet from VB right up there on the front. So Villabeautifful released her first planner this year, and it was available on pre-order, so of course I had to get my pre-order in. And when you pre-ordered, along with some special gifts that I'm sure you'll get to see once Tiffany does her reveal, you also were able to immediately access the digital files for this planner. Production was a little wonky as far as and shipping, so Tiffany wanted everyone to be able to start planning immediately, and so she sent the digital files and people were able to print them out and start planning. So one of the things that I love about this planner are the clear dashboards. So I love that there's nothing on it, and I love that these dashboards, well, these are dividers. Let me back up. These are the clear dividers, and then the dashboards that she's included are also interchangeable. So, you know, you can put them where you want, rather than having something that is dated or something, yeah, like a divider that's dated with January. It's clear. So I love it. That's one of the things. If you also notice, these pages are right here are kind of sticking out. And what these are the digital pages that I printed and started using. And I cut them a little too short or too big, but that really doesn't bother me. So I just went ahead and popped those pages in. And so I was ready to go. Now this week, I'm going to be planning for the week coming up. And that's going to be, what is this? February 21st through the 27th. And if you've seen my videos before, you know I like to plan off of the disc. So I'm going to go ahead and take those out. But just look at this, guys. This is just gorgeous. I love it. And if you want to see a detailed flip through, you can see it on the Shop Villabeautifful YouTube channel where Tiffany did a reveal. So I'm going to go ahead and put this to the side. Now, what I've chosen to use for this week are the stickers from the VB Anniversary Kit. And those are the aesthetic kits. Now this is one of the VB clutches, and this is the VB clutch in nude, I think. I think this is the nude one. So really love this, love the design. That's one of the B6 folders. This came with the gold kitter, VB monthly kit. So I just popped it right in my clutch. And here is where I have some of my VB sticker books. So I'm going to use this one. There's not a lot left, but I thought this would be the perfect sticker set to include. And I also have some of them in this B6 sticker release folder, and that came with the darkness kit. So I'm going to put this over here to the side. And the last thing I'm going to pull are the stickers from the sticker pack for the aesthetic kit. And it is here in my VB sticker planner. So, and that's not it. Here they are. Okay, so I'll be using some of these from the Aesthetic VB kit. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and speed this video up, and when I finish, I will be back. All right, guys, I think I am going to stop right there. I really need to order some backups of my Villabeautifful stickers. So I think I'll spend some time on the website today checking that out to see what is available and go ahead and get my order in. So let me go ahead and put this back on the disc so we can see what it looks like. If I can find my planner. Okay, so here's the planner. And let me find the correct place. I think this is it right here. So I'm going to put that in. All right, and that is it. And all I have left to do is pick out my VB pens. So I think I'm going to choose one. And no, I'm going to choose that one. I'm going to choose satin, because satin matches this VB planner, this VB Pink so well. So, all right, so that's it, guys. If you like this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below. And if you want to see more videos, make sure you hit the subscribe button. And until next time, happy planning.